on here about 10 inches square. You can tell a KT engine as soon as you walk up to it. They used them in generators, you name it. But the truck engine in front of you is the equivalent of a 427 Ford side oiler. Just about as hard to find as something like that, or a 427 435 horse big block Chevy with 3 carburetors sitting on it with the triangle air cleaner. It's become that collectible. It's worth a small fortune. This fans in this engine are going to go from 0 upward at 53 mile an hour. They're going to stop at 0 and go 53 mile an hour back down. 53 mile an hour on the piston travel from 0 to 53, 0 and back down. You have to wonder what holds them together. That couldn't find a truck to suit their needs, and White Motor Company bought them in about 65 and lost them in about 75 or so. So it went Freightliner, White Freightliner, and back to Freightliner. This one's called Inconvenience. Went through 93. It's got the 998 cubic inch V8 Mac under the hood. It's got 4-cylinder heads, and boy is it rare. Albert Brown with Back in Black. Because Hank is a handle. An old friend of the family named him Hank. What's Hank's given name? This thing's called Scrapper, and it's a points champion truck. It's number 4 in current points, former points champion. Hand for Hank Oester out of Salisbury, Pennsylvania. He's the heavy haul towing equipment company man. Put that thing together. That was a rollover time. Hey fans, how about a hand for Ellie Streaker? She's not pulling for points, but she's having a lot of fun with that Freightliner sporting to Detroit. It's called the Dark Horse. Ellie Streaker's from Westminster, Maryland. Because we only hear about the bad ones. And we'll spend tens of thousands on the bad ones and forget about the good ones. All right, Peterbilt fans. The first year for Peterbilt. Out of Denton, Texas. It was 1947, I believe. No, 1939. This one's called Pressure Time. time when he couldn't get hooked up. With clamshell fenders and 414 cubic inches of Puttin 2-cylinder. Here's the final semi, Big Mo from Uniontown, Pennsylvania. It's a sharp-looking 9900 Series International. I'm out of here for a close away, still in those stacks.